Chase, aka some of y'all know me as Antoine, aka some of y'all just know me as the driver of P38 right here. Today got one of my special homeboys, one of my brothers from another mother. We only got to deploy to Iraq once, but that's all we needed to figure out that we brothers for life. Go by Mike Lowry, so it all fits that we are brothers for life. But don't get it twisted. I'm not Martin Lawrence in this. I'm not. That ain't me. That ain't me. That is not me in the least bit. But he had the name Mike Lowry already, so we gonna let him keep the name. I'm gonna keep the persona. Let's just keep it 100.
We the new.
We the new.
Now, we all got our names for a reason. You stay tuned, you will soon find out why we got our names.